Hi everyone, I've got Mercedes C-Class here on the next range, which is quite an old one, 2000 model, year 2000, and plus it goes up to about 2002. Just going to show you how to reset the service light. You usually get the service A and B. Once you've done the service, all you do then switch the ignition on, right? You've got this button here. You press that till you get the speedo, the mileage come up. Then you press the arrow button up till you get the service. I've already reset the light on this, but I'll show you how it's done. Then you press this button for 3 seconds. It says, do you want to reset service? Now release that button and hold it again for 3 seconds. Service interval has been reset, and let go of the button. Now it's 10,000 miles. So all you then do is press go back, switch the ignition off, take the keys out, switch the ignition on, and you start your car up. Make sure you've got the right amount of oil in there as well. So if I go back up, scroll up, now it says service A in 10,000 miles. That's all you got to do on yours. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.